The Indian Meteorological Department (IMD) has issued a weather warning for Manipur's Tamenglong district, in which it stated that a thunderstorm with lightning and very heavy rainfall is expected at isolated places in the district on June 18. In light of the impending weather conditions, the IMD has advised the people to take the necessary precautions. It advised the people to stay home, keep yourself updated with the latest weather forecast and warnings issued by local, state and national authorities. Reinforce all doors and windows and secure loose objects in and around your houses. The public is advised to stay indoors and avoid going outside unless it is an unavoidable emergency. Agriculture, fishing and other outdoor activities should be postponed until the weather conditions improved. Stay away from flood-prone areas, landslide-prone areas, rivers and streams. Move to safer places, and if you are in a vulnerable location, any incident should be reported to the provided helpline numbers or by contacting your respective sub-divisional officers.